Yes. Cam and Colin, run in here and come get y'all juice. Shit.
So I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
Wow.
Hey guys, look at my girlfriend.
I'm your cousin.
Just go.
What the fuck?
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Marlene, your speech was so good. Oh, but I didn't even try. It was just improv and.
Oh my god, why can't you just take the freaking compliment?
Hello?
What the fuck is up, Kyle? No, what did you say, dude? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up, Kyle.
You guys say Colorado.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Clefairy!
Fuck!
Next time you fucking put a hand on me, I'ma fucking rip your face off, bitch. What did he do to him? Cause he fucking pushed me. Next time.
Watch out for those eyes, cause she's armed and dangerous like bow.
Miss me with that gay shit.
Hands up, she's
What the fuck? Welcome to Bible study. We're all children of Jesus. Kumbaya, my lord.
I have osteoporosis.
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents. You know what that means?
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
I mean, 4 female Ghostbusters? The feminists are taking over. I'm an adult virgin.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
You can't sit with us. Actually, Megan, I can't sit anywhere. I have hemorrhoids. Why were you watching that?
Oh, please don't tell Mom. Tell me. I smell like beef. I smell like beef. I smell like beef. I smell like beef.
Bitch, you gonna step on my fucking toe, bitch, with them fucking cowgirl fucking boots, bitch, disgusting.
Chris, is that a weed?
No, this is a crayon.
I'm calling the police.
911, what's your emergency?
But I woke up every day. Oh shit.
What?
You're not my dad. You also hear something. Ugly ass fucking noodle.
Had bacon and syrup.
I'm not finished. Let's get started.
We'll grab
First
the
off, you.
toaster.
Oh my god, can you let me do what I need to?
What's your name?
What
On all levels except physical, I am a wolf.
Jared, could you read number 23 for the class?
No, I cannot. What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read.
Bow down where you're from, nigga. Shut the fuck up. Get your teeth straight. Yay!
Let's be freaking losers! Get out of your mind! Get out of your...
Oh my god. He because he broke. Oh my god.
Ooh, I got 69%. Hey, you know what that means.
I can't sleep because of that video.
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
I have something to tell you. What is it, honey?
I got an abortion.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming. Bro, I had a dream we fucked. Bro, it's just a dream. Gay, I wouldn't fuck you. You wouldn't? I mean, unless you want to.
I want a church girl that go to church and read your Bible.
Saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think.
I won't hesitate, bitch.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion.
Dude, I thought you could do a kickflip.
I can. I did one this morning.
Adam! I thought you were bae. Turns out you're just fam. Bruh.
No.
Yeah! That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Polar bears are dying. The ice caps are melting. Humans are depleting all the natural resources.
Let me hop out the Porsche, I don't wanna hit that.
Shut the up.
A nice typical American dinner.
Buenos días, muchachalatas.
When there's too much drama at school, all you gotta do is walk away.
This one's to end racism.
Ask all of my friends and they'll tell you I'm the nicest, but not if you're in mother freaking ISIS.
Hey guys, I'm here with my boyfriend. Today is his birthday.
Yep.
Happy birthday, Flavio.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
What the fuck, Richard? What?
Have anybody ever tell you you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me, nigga.
All my life, man, fuck fake. If I did, I'm a non-squid, I'ma let him eat my ass like a gun.
It sounds like something she'd say. I like that laugh.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler. Hey, loser. Say kid backwards. Dick? That's gay.
Hey guys, check it out. I'm drawing a penis. I'm just kidding. It's a happy face. I'm just kidding. It's a penis.
Hey, I'm lesbian. I thought you were American.
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom. A child. No.
Oh. Does it feel good?
That's what good pussy sounds like.
الحمار. This is why mom doesn't fucking love you.
Every kiss begins with K.
When you're at the hotel room and you have to pay for the water, shut the hell your mouth. There's free water right here, you fucking asshole.
Say? What you say?
I say whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
One, 2, 3, 4. How many niggers are in my store? I know you're stealing.
Hey, it's your boy, Skinny Penis.
Now I enter my house. What's up, fuckers? Why are you on my phone? Fuck you, that's why.
7, 8, and 1, 2.
Patricia!
You stop dropping that, okay, sweetie?
Video, goddamn. Sorry.
So you just gonna bring me a birthday gift on my birthday to my birthday party on my birthday with a birthday gift? Happy birthday?
I want a Jewish girl that go to temple and read her Torah.
Don't fuck with me! I have the power of God and anime on my side!
Wait, where's your other side? Oh my god!
Seven fucking hate you!
Country boy, I love you.
Are you fucking serious?
Do you ever like wake up or do something and you're just like, what the fuck is going on?
I'm not gonna stop till I get.
I do love working here. It's just we all have a lot of laughs. Fuck off, Janet. I'm not going to your fucking baby shower.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Shut the hell up! Shut up! Shut up! You got a bang? Oh no!
What the fuck? Is this allowed? What the fuck? Is that allowed?
It's summer, I got my hat on backwards, and it's time to fucking party.
So no head?
Is that right? What are you fucking gay?